one song. 3 revisions, 10 minutes, 1 hour, 10 hours.
Hey guys, Dave here again with something a bit different. In this video, I want to run through how I build a single song from scratch. First, I'll kick everything off with a brief 10-minute session, an expanding 50-minute session, and lastly, a lengthy 9 hours, for a combined project time of 10 hours. Admittedly, I have no idea where the sound is heading, so I'm hoping nothing too crazy comes out of this. In between, I'll share the results of each session to compare once completed. All right, so kicking off the 10-minute challenge, I am freaked out a little bit here. Let's start. Okay. All right, I'm just gonna roll with it, see what I can get here. All right, okay, so that's it. Yeah. Got it. Okay. Challenge completed with very, very minimal success. I'm not overly impressed by what I was able to generate here. Okay, so I guess I am going to take a bit of a break, just clear my head a little bit, and then move on to the next challenge, which is 1 hour. More specifically, 10 minutes in, I'm going to continue this 50 minutes. Moving on, see you shortly. Okay, day number 2, I've had my rest, and I can tell you I have no recollection of what this song revision even sounds like. So I'm gonna have to take a quick listen here, and then I'll move on to the next 50 minutes of building this song up. Okay, revision 2 starting now. So my goal for the second revision was to add a bit more spice, melody, and rhythm into the song. Working in a beat proved to be a bit of a challenge. I ultimately settled and shifted over to setting up a lead melody which fit the song. Ultimately, I made several creative compromises due to the 50-minute time constraint, which I find is fairly evident in the song overall. Oh! That's it. Stop the timer. Stop. Whew, okay. Kind of went in a weird direction. Not sure entirely how I feel about it, but a bit better than the first generation here. So, yeah, let's give it a listen. Well, here it is, the 9-hour final revision. I am really hoping I can make something of this song. Anyway, let's jump in. As I went further into the 9-hour revision, I found myself drifting away from the song's core electronic vibe and instead focused on a tone that better spoke to me. This first led me to soften the intro from an electronic pluck driving synth bass to a pad piano. I did, however, retain a portion of this pattern leading to and immediately following the first chorus. I then shifted the core rhythm away from a basic electronic beat to a heavier rock metal vibe, more consistent with my standard sound. Clean guitars were introduced to add texture throughout the verse. Distorted rhythm guitars were placed into the choruses as well as the final section of the song. Various lead guitar riffs were added on top throughout these sections. Well, that's it. That's the 9-hour session now completed. Now, full disclosure, as you can probably tell within the video, I was not able to complete all of that within one sitting. I had far too much work, far too much life going on. But nevertheless, this song is, well, 85% complete. I still feel as if there's some composition, some arranging which needs to be done. A lot of that involving vocals. But I'm now really motivated to bring the song to 100%. I really want to hear what I can make of this song with more time. And without any further ado, here is the song after a lengthy 10 hours. Let's hit it. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, feel free to like and subscribe. Doing so will go a long way in helping me to deliver quality content. Also, feel free to drop a word in the comments section. I'd love to hear from you. Take care.